Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another sculpting video. I'm going to be sculpting this young bongo for the Calgary Zoo. So I sculpted the adult bongo, but now I'm going to be doing the juvenile one. So yeah, if you want to see how I sculpted it, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm starting off with some glass eyes and I am hand painting them. I have a full eye video over on my Patreon where I go into full detail about what eyes I use for all of my dolls. So if you're interested in something like that, head over to there. It's for my $5 and up tiers and you get access to everything else that's on there as well. So I am doing the eyes a little bit different for this bongo, making them more juvenile-like. So for the previous bongo, they have kind of goat-shaped eyes. So for this one, I'm just making it a broader, sort of like a baby eye, I guess. And then once that's dry, I can insert it into the head. Alright, so for this little bongo, I'm going to be sculpting in Sculpting Original. That's the white clay and it's the softest one you can get. I like working with Sculpting Original because I like working with softer clay, but if you like working with harder clay, you can try the beige coloured Sculpey, which is Super Sculpey, and you can also get a really firm Sculpey called Sculpey Firm, and that's the grey coloured one. I don't particularly like working with Sculpey Firm. I just find it a little bit too hard for my hands. That's why I prefer to work with Sculpting Original. But you can also try other things like air dry clay, monster clay if you're making casts, and also Primo and other Sculpies. So I'll probably just leave this video to play out. Just go through the whole sculpting process. I mean, it's not really that much I can explain more, rather than just watching the actual process of sculpting it. I might pop back in when I do the epoxy sculpt on the ears, so I'll pop this back in then. Alrighty, so the same sort of process as I did for the adult bongo. I wanted to reinforce the ears with the Epoxy Sculpt. That way there's less chance of it breaking when it's being handled by the zoo. So I have an Epoxy Sculpt video on my channel if you don't know what it is and how to use it, so you can check that out. I never remembered to link it in the description box, but it's a great epoxy that it's two-part where you can mix together, and it dries pretty much like concrete, and yeah, reinforces these joints like I wanted to for these ears. But that's pretty much it for this whole process. I'll be doing the painting process over on making the video, making the actual bongo. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want access to more things, you can find it over on my Patreon. There's heaps of things over there. Link is in the description box. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. I really appreciate it. You can also check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and my shop, creaturesofnat.com. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!